Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick wig review on this hair that you see right here, as well as giving you guys a quick tutorial on how I got this style. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
Show me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
Okay love, so before we jump straight into this hair, don't forget to enter into the giveaway. Remember, my giveaway is currently open right now. The link will be down in the description box, so if you haven't already entered, make sure to go ahead and enter. So it is open until Thursday, March 14th at midnight. That's when it will be closing, and then I will go ahead and pick a winner, and I will announce the winner on Tuesday, March 19th. And so you guys definitely want to make sure that you guys enter. I will link down the video, the giveaway video, so you guys know what is in the giveaway. But there have also been a few items that have been added to the giveaway, so you guys don't know that. So stay tuned to the March 19th video where I will announce the winner as well as the final prizes. And so yeah, definitely make sure you guys go ahead and enter into the giveaway. Okay love, so jumping straight into this hair, I was sent this hair courtesy of UNice hair. They were kind enough to send your girl 4 bundles as well as a frontal, and so this is what the packaging looks like. If you guys stay tuned to the unboxing, you guys will see how the hair looks straight out the packaging. It did come with some lashes and then the hair. So the hair that I have in is their Brazilian Jerry Curl virgin hair. So I got her in the inches, 220 inches, 222 inches, and an 18-inch frontal. Now, I know that with curly hair, I don't need 4 bundles of hair, but I just prefer it. Like, y'all know, I just like volume. And so I went ahead and got 4 bundles, and I added all 4 bundles into this unit except for like a small piece. So like, this is how much I have left from the 4th bundle, which is not much at all. If you guys can see that, not much at all. So pretty much I have 4 bundles of hair plus a frontal in this unit. So I'm pretty sure that this unit is going to be massive when I actually play in it, but I decided not to play in it just yet. I wanted to give you guys an initial review of what the hair looks like because I've never had Jerry curl hair before. So I kind of wanted you guys to see the hair in its natural pattern before I started to play with it, before I started to just really like wet it, brush it out, you know, all that kind of stuff. So what you can expect to see in this video is me showing you guys how I customize my frontal. I usually show you guys how I customize my closures, but I don't think I've ever showed you guys how I customize my frontal or a frontal before. So I wanted to show you guys that, but I also want to show you guys me putting the hair in a ponytail. The beautiful thing about rocking frontals is you can actually put the hair up. With closures, you can't do that, or you have to like really finesse it. So that's ultimately what I wanted to show you guys. So basically what you can expect is I'm going to take you guys on a journey of me customizing this frontal. So I bleach the knots off camera, but then I show you guys what the knots look like, but then I tint the lace on camera. I also use some wig makeup to blend in with my skin complexion on camera. I showed you guys me cutting the lace, but I accidentally forgot to press record, so you guys totally missed that whole part, and I remembered after I did it. So there are certain parts where it's footage missing because I just kind of like forgot. My husband came home and I just forgot, y'all, my bad. So I don't show you guys me putting the unit on or me customizing the baby hairs, just because that's a whole nother process. But I just wanted to show you guys how I got the unit to look like it did before I put it on my head. And so hopefully you guys enjoy that, the process of me getting to this right here. So ultimately I didn't know what look I was going for when I got dressed and did my makeup and stuff, but when I put this shirt on, instantly I thought about spring break, and I was like, these are perfect spring break bundles, like spring break curls, a spring break unit. I just feel like when you rock curly hair on vacation or spring break, you don't have to worry about, you know, flat ironing it or whatever. You can get it wet, you can put it up in a cute bun and a cute ponytail. And so ultimately that's what I was doing right here. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a cute spring break look because I mean, I remember when I was in college and I remember when I did spring break. I didn't have too many wild adventures, but I enjoyed my college life. And so if you guys are in college, if you guys do partake in spring break and still going away and just vacationing period, you know, know, the summertime is coming up, so I feel like these are perfect, like, you know, vacation hair. Now my hair I know is gonna be massive and probably a little bit more to handle just because I have so much hair in, but hey, I'm okay with the commitment. I love, you know, large hair, so it's fine. Let me tell you guys about the frontal. So initially, upon looking at the frontal, I thought the frontal was a very beautiful frontal. It blended perfectly with the bundles, and ultimately I do like the frontal. It did come, I would say, pre-plucked. There was some pre-pluckage. I know that's not a word. However, when I show you guys the unit on my head, I was like, oh no, oh no, no, no. This frontal was like so dense in the front and it just didn't look natural at all. And so your girl definitely goes in off camera and plucks the unit, and look how much hair I took out, y'all. Do y'all see this? So yeah, I took out all of this, which is, look, nothing compared to all this hair that you guys see right here, just so that it could give the front a more natural appearance. And so y'all, I'm not a professional. I don't be knowing what I'm doing half the time. I'm still learning, but hopefully it looks more natural than it did in the beginning, because that's just what I was going for. And I love the whole ponytail look. I decided to put it up in a bun, as you guys can see, add a few little, you know, accessories to, you know, jazz it up. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. This is actually part 1 of my review video for this hair. I'm gonna do a second review on this hair, and I'm gonna show you this unit in all its glory. I'm gonna take out the bun, I'm gonna brush it out, I'm gonna wet it, do whatever, maybe style it up again, so that you guys can see this unit in just all of its massive gloriousness. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think about just this whole look right here. Hopefully you guys like my, you know, vacation-y, spring breakish top. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Oh, before I go, I want to give you guys a fun fact. Because we are family and I wanted to, you know, just share this with you guys. Your girl actually used to be like deathly afraid of balls of hair. If you ask my mom, like, yo, this thing right here would have probably gave me a heart attack. But thank God I have outgrown it. I can deal with it, or else your girl wouldn't get her hair done, okay? But yeah, I thought that would be a fun fact to let you guys know. Let me know down in the comment section what's a random fun fact about you guys. Like, what's something you guys were like randomly scared of or something. Okay, now into the tutorial.
Yo.
Son. Tell me